welcome back to our channel Life is New Every Day. Today's video is about day 1 of our Georgia trip. We booked our flights with Air Arabia. A cheaper option is Wizz Air, but the only thing is it flies from Abu Dhabi. It's just a 3 hours journey from Sharjah and we reached the capital city Tbilisi around 9 pm. Procedures went on fast and the visa is on arrival for residents of UAE and just a normal immigration process. After collecting our baggage, the first thing we did is to buy a new SIM card. Near the exit, you can see a lot of kiosks for money exchange and SIM. SIM kiosks were called free SIM. Even though they aren't free, we paid around 45 lari that includes unlimited data. We were just standing outside, waiting for our hotel pickup and enjoying the cold breeze of the European country for the very first time. It took around 20 minutes to reach our hotel, even though it wasn't a fabulous look from outside. But entering the room, the picture changed. It was perfectly arranged with new amenities. The lit up church that you see is the Holy Trinity Church. It's the view from our balcony. Our hotel was a little inside from the main road and it's around 1 kilometer from Tbilisi center. We went down for breakfast as the dining was in the basement. The breakfast starts around 8. The breakfast is really good. It was a blend of Georgian and continental style. The video is gonna come up soon where we're gonna include all the variety of foods that we tasted in Georgia. The hotel had arranged our vehicle for sightseeing. It was a 12-seater Mercedes Spinster. The driver was English speaking, so we had no hassles at all. We started around 9:20 and on the way, after 2 hours, we stopped at a refreshment place. It was a nice place where we could find Wendy's, Dunkin' and a supermarket. You need to carry some coins with you as it's pay toilets in most of the areas. We need to insert 1 lari into an automatic turnstile. The landscape on either side of the road is so beautiful that we couldn't take off our eyes. On our way, we came across the Zagros market, so we stopped by and we decided to buy some fruits. We bought some flavored walnut strings also. It's called chachkela. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It was quite tasty and filling. Worth a try. We stopped at one place and bought this bread. It seemed like a home. She was selling homemade pinecone jam as well. Then around 1 we stopped for lunch. And we decided to have their famous kacha puri. They served it along with some free wine. And anywhere you go, you have to pay for drinking water. Finally, after around 6 hours, we reached the beautiful village called Mativali, which is located in the city of Kutaisi, western part of Georgia. Here we stopped to change our vehicle to get into a 4-wheel drive because the roads from here to River Basha was really rough. In that 30 minutes drive, we were going through a lot of sandy roads and even we crossed the shallow river. This was the road leading to different viewing points of the waterfalls in and around Abasha River. After this point, we didn't require the four-wheel drive. We were dropped off here and then we walked down the narrow passage to see another waterfall. We found the right place, made our cup of tea, rested for some time and then left to Kutaisi. It's very difficult to find restaurants here, so we carried our own biscuits, hot water and tea bags. On our way, we saw people drinking water from a natural source. How could we miss this? We also stopped and tasted it. We decided to have our dinner before we got to the hotel. It was around 7. It took some time for them to cook everything, but it was really worth the wait. Everything tasted so yum.
Comfort Joe's.
We spent around 1.5 hours here and we realized that wine and music is an inevitable part of their life. Now we are passing through the Kutaisi city centre and what you see is the Colchis fountain on the traffic roundabout. The road to our hotel was very narrow, so we had to walk for some distance to get to it. Where we had booked our stay in Hotel Terrace Garden. It's just a normal place, but it's fine for just one night. Hope you liked it. We'll be back with our day to Georgian trip. Stay tuned.